After I received the ARCSTUDIO, I did the unboxing and it a pretty decent box. In the box there is the unit itself and of course the license and a microphone and something to mount the microphone on a microphone stand. And I ordered some new cables. I thought I ordered the good cables, but when I started to connect everything, I noticed I ordered the wrong cables. So I went down in my basement and I was searching for some cables. It's working now, I connect everything, so that's fine. When I'm happy with it, I order new cables and good cables. For now, it's okay. The only thing is I had some trouble to get the license, but in the end everything went well and I installed the software and I could start the measurement. The thing I think it's strange, I have some other measurements software and they give you an exact place where you have to get the mic. Here is, they send you, or they say some points where you more or less have to put the mic. You can choose between 7 or 21 points. I choose 21 points, but it's not possible to have the exact points. It's 15 centimeters down of your hearing. The normal leveling is where your ears are, and then 15 centimeters up. But the position is more or less the same, but not exactly the same. So I think that's a little bit strange. I think they could be a little bit more precise with that. But anyway, after I installed everything and did the measurements, it was time for me to start working with it. And I noticed immediately that the unit itself gets pretty hard. I don't know if it's normal or not. I didn't hear nobody else complaining about it, so maybe it's my unit, I don't know, but I think it's getting really hot. And I don't know yet if I have to be happy with it or maybe I have to fiddle a little bit more around with it. My room wasn't the perfect room and still isn't the perfect room, but I knew exactly how my room sounded. Now when I put the unit on, I miss a lot of bass, so I don't know if it's working correctly or not and if I'm happy with it. So I think I'm gonna fiddle a little bit more around with it and then let you know in a final update if I'm totally happy with this unit or if I don't gonna use it or just use it when I start mixing and not producing without it and then mixing with it. I don't know yet, so I keep you updated in that one. So if you have any tips or tricks for me so I get the maximum out of this unit, or maybe I do some things wrong or did say some things wrong, please leave a comment and I can use all the tips and tricks to get the maximum out of the unit. Or maybe I need to change some settings or I don't know, whatever. Leave a comment. If you like the channel, subscribe to the channel. If you have a question, leave a comment down below and I get back to you.